Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 172. If we start with this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. And for this column, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row now, we're missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 5 here, so 9. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this bottom row, we're missing a 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. And since these line up, we can just pick a way to go. So if I make this our 3, this would be our 8, 3, and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.